Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel I'll be doing some pranks, Q&As, challenges and some other videos. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell. Follow my Instagram for updates. I'll be start posting some videos soon, very soon. Everything that you need to know will be in the description below. So give this video a thumbs up. Although it's gonna be very short, but I'm just going to say a few things about me that you guys would like to know. I won't know. Right. So first thing, my name. Sorry. First thing, my name Monii. Me a 16-year-old. Like, me very funny, me easy to laugh. Me like laugh. Everything we laugh on my first. So if you not go see them previous video, I don't believe I make. Yeah, me I go laugh on them. And they post me intro, so you can go just watch me intro. Very sharp, but watch it and get a like. And I'm following for my IG page and everything. I have some epic prank on my ready. I just can't wait for drop my epic prank here. Cause I know say some people may go, why? Them prank you just a little, me can't wait. And yeah, me go to public interviews too and vlogs when me go out and them things. And me I do a vlog in January. And Merry Christmas to everybody. I forgot. Merry Christmas to y'all. And Happy New Year when it comes. Yeah, I forgot. Oh my, forgot about that. Hope I enjoy the Christmas still. So, you're tight. So yeah, I don't have much to say now. So that's it, guys. So just I'm gonna post my other video, or next video after this. Like maybe a prank or a Q&A or something. So I post and ask me some question. I'm gonna answer because I really have much to say on this video. I just want to know say I start my YouTube channel and everything. So I will soon start post. You know, so someone can't wait no, but I just want to start post. And thanks to someone who support me. Really appreciate the support and everything. So thanks to everybody who support me channel and me just start. So I know some of supporters they push me. Like Queen. Yeah, Queen support me and so on and so. Thanks guys for support me and everything. Bye.